Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Harriet, and today I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to apply your false eyelashes. And yeah, I know you guys have been waiting for this video for so long, but today you're getting it. So if you're a newbie here, welcome my love to the family. Please join the family by clicking on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the bell button that is next to the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified of whenever I do upload a video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, love, for the support. I really do appreciate it. And also please share with your friends and family so that they also join the family. We grow our family here, and let's get right into it. So without further ado, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. So I have these eyelashes, and they're called the Yumia Beauty 100% human eyelashes, and it says pestanas. I don't know what that means, but pestanas. We're going to be using these eyelashes right here. But before we do apply the eyelashes, first there are certain steps that you need to go through first before you do apply the eyelashes. So firstly, I like applying liquid eyeliner, which I already have right now. So the next step would be to get your mascara first and make sure that you brush up your eyebrows. They're also intact, and it makes it so much easier to apply your falsies. So I'm going to be using this LA Colors mascara, this one right here. It's black, and I'm going to use the LA Colors mascara to brush up my eyebrows. So firstly, you also need a mirror, because you need a mirror so that you can clearly see. So you need like a mirror. You know what, let me bring you in closer so that you can see what we're doing. Right, okay, so we are now closer. So firstly, use your mascara to brush up your eyebrows. Keep them in place, that way they don't move that much. It's easier like so. Because mascara is smudgy, it's wet, you're going to have to leave it for like a couple of minutes so that it dries. Then when you do apply your eyelashes, it won't smudge. So like that. The reason why we apply liquid eyeliner first is on top of on the upper eyelid. It's because when you apply your falsies, then that way if they don't sit properly in your lash line, it's not going to show the band. 1, 2, it's not going to show the division between where you placed your eyelash and your actual eyelashes. So let's say you made a mistake, but it's doable. I just prefer applying liquid eyeliner first. That way I have control over whatever happens next. So you will see what I'm talking about. I naturally have curly eyelashes, so it's really difficult. It's really difficult to place them in the actual lash line. So I don't know if you get what I mean. With curly eyelashes, it's really difficult to place them inside the actual lash line. But however, if you don't have curly eyelashes, I feel like it's much easier to do it. But with mine now, because they're already curled, it's really difficult to, you know, place the falsies inside and get them to the lash line. So sometimes I just hack it, and I just apply liquid eyeliner first before I do apply anything else. That way, if it doesn't sit properly on my lash line, then I have a little bit of some advantage to it. You can barely see it unless you like come really closer and pay attention to my eyes. So mascara check, you wait for like 5 minutes. I'm going to have like a clock ticking somewhere here. Hopefully I will find that editing clock. But anyway, I'm just going to wait for like a little bit so that my mascara dries, and then we're going to get into the whole process of applying the lashes. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be using this Kiss Strip Eyelash Adhesive Glue. Let me just, yes, thank you. It was refusing to focus. But okay, so I'm going to be using this Kiss Strip Adhesive Eyelash Glue, sorry. It lasts for like 24 hours. I got this from Clicks. It says here it's clear, it's odor free, it's latex free, it's also waterproof. And I've been using this glue for like a while. I've been using this glue for like a while, and trust me, this glue can stick for like the longest. It's also really strong, so I love it. I used the Adele eyelash glue before. It's the white one, but this one, I feel like this one is better than the Adele adhesive eyelash glue, the white one. But you can also get this one. I got it from Discam. This one I got it from Clicks, so you can also make use of this one. But this is the one I'm going to be using in today's video. So I'm going to be using the Kiss Strip Eyelash Adhesive Glue. It lasts for 24 hours. Okay, still making use of these eyelashes. I'm just going to pop them out. I'm just going to pop them out from the packet. And I have already zoomed in. You also need a tweezer. That's the other thing that you need. So you need a glue, you need a tweezer, and you need the eyelashes. So I'm just going to pop them off the packaging. I have a tweezer and I've removed the eyelash from the packaging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Kiss adhesive glue as well. I'm going to be using that, the adhesive glue, and I'm just going to open it, and then what I do is I'm just going to go over on top. I'm just going to go on the band, and then I'm just applying the glue on the eyelash. Make sure that the glue goes on all corners of the band. That way you can stick both ends. So this glue dries quickly. It gets khaki easily. So what I mean by getting khaki is you apply the glue on the eyelash, on the band, right? And then you have to wait for like a couple of seconds so that it gets tacky. You can only stick it when it gets tacky. If it's wet like this, you're going to smudge your eyelash and you're going to smudge your makeup look, and it's not going to look nice when you're now applying it on your eyes. So while I'm applying the glue on the other eyelash, it makes my life so much easier because the other one is already in the process of getting tacky. So it makes the process easier and faster. So because this glue gets tacky really easily, I'm not going to wait for like a long time for it to get tacky. So let's apply it on the other one. This is what I do. I'm gonna grab my mirror first because you need your mirror, and also be careful, the shorter side goes on the inner parts of the eyelash, so you need to know which eyelash is for the left side, which eyelash is for the right side. Don't forget that, please, it's important. So the shorter side of the eyelash goes on the inner corners of your eyes, and the longer side goes on the outer areas of your eyes. So what I do is I'm just going to take my eyelash, hold it like this with my tweezer, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to place it in the middle first. place your eyelash in the middle first, and then place the inner corner, and also place the outer corner. So those are the 3 steps. And then after that, use your tweezer. Make sure that all sides are stuck. And then after that, use your tweezer to join them together. So all you have to do is get your tweezer, place it on the inner like that, hold your real eyelashes and the falsies together and stick and press. So go in and press, and then go in again and press, right? Go in and press. That way you can tell that your eyelash is properly secure now. If you want, you can also use your fingers if you feel like you're going to poke yourself with the tweezer. And it's normal for your eyes to get watery when you're applying. That, like so. Right, this one is a secure eyelash. If you want to fix anything, you can always use your hands. So let's do that with the other eyelash, and then I'll show you how to do it. So firstly, grab your eyelash with your tweezer, and make sure that when you're holding your eyelash, you're holding in the middle of the eyelash, of the falsie, with your tweezer. But don't hold where the sticky glue side is. So just hold it in the middle, and then the first thing that you're going to do is you are just going to place your eyelash in the middle first. So make sure it sticks in the middle, right? And then make sure it sticks at the end like that, and also make sure that it's secure. And then the third part is to make sure that the inner corners of your eyes are secure. So that's how to do it. And then the next thing is you're going to place your tweezer inside from the outer areas of your eyes and press. And then you're also going to go in and press, right? And then you go in and press. So make sure that when you press, it's stuck, it's secure. So go in and press. So this is basically securing your eyelashes, your real eyelashes, to your falsies, so that you cannot see the division between the real ones and the falsies. So go in. If you feel like the end is secure now, go in and press, and then go in as well. Just make sure that you press, that way you know your eyelashes are secure to your real ones. And then now I'm just checking if all the other areas are secure. If your inner corners are not secure, you can always go back in with your eyelash glue in the corners and then just place it in and secure everything. But this one is a very easy eyelash to deal with. It's clear, it's not white, so you won't have to deal with like white residue from the glue after you stick your lashes. So it makes life so much easier. This is how we apply our eyelashes, and I don't think there's a better job that you can do after this. Okay guys, so this is how you apply your falsies, and it's not that difficult applying your falsies. So now that we are done, and if you feel like there's some glue residue on your eyelashes, all you can do is just get your mascara and just apply some mascara on your eyelashes. I usually like applying mascara on my real lashes only, because that way it makes it so much easier to reuse my falsies. So I won't have to use my falsies once. If I use mascara on my falsies, then it means that my eyelashes are going to get tacky from the mascara, because it makes the eyelashes tacky and dry. And that way, after that, when I want to wash them and reuse them, it's going to make life so much difficult. So rather, I would apply mascara on my real eyelashes afterwards. That is if there's any messes, or if I want my eyelashes to look darker, then I'm going to go in with mascara and apply it on my eyelashes. That way it's easier. Then when I remove my falsies and when I want to reuse them, all I just have to do is just wash them a little bit to get off the dirt, and that's it. But with mascara now, because it gets tacky, it works like a glue somehow. It sticks onto the lashes. So after that, when you want to wash them, then you're probably going to damage the eyelashes, and you won't be able to reuse them. So this is why I prefer just applying it on my real eyelashes and just leave the falsies there, right there. So this is how you apply your falsies, guys. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section, then I'll be able to answer your questions. So when you do try to apply your falsies, please do let me know in the comment section, and let me know how it goes. If you made any mistakes, if it worked out for you the first time, just let me know how it goes, and please do chat with me in the comment section. And I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also share with your family and friends so that our family grows. And yeah, I do need those subscribers, guys. If you like this look, please let me know, then I will definitely upload a video on how I achieved this look. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate you, and I love you. Until next time, in my next video. Mwah.